Good morning, students, and welcome. Today we are going to start 2.1 occasions, Unit 2. We have finished our Unit 1 and we have finished our exams also, first and second unit exam. Now we will be proceeding with our next lecture, next lesson, 2.1 occasions. What do you mean by occasions and all we will come to know. See here the warming up questions. Using a good dictionary, find the shades of a difference in the following. Profession का what do you mean by profession? Refers to. Occasions refers to. Business refers to, and the occupations. Profession means that is where you have paid. By profession you might be a teacher, you might be a doctor, you might be an engineer, you are with something else. वो आपका प्रोफेशन है, काम है. तो जहाँ पे आपको सैलरी मिलती है, जहाँ पे आपको एक ट्रेनिंग भी होता है, एक क्वालिफिकेशन भी होता है. आपको जो काम आप कर रहे हैं, जैसे अगर इंजीनियर हो उसका अलग सा क्वालिफिकेशंस होते हैं, उसकी अलग से ट्रेनिंग्स वगैरह होते हैं. टीचर है तो आप टीचर हो तो टीचर को भी ट्रेनिंग होती है, उनका भी अलग सा क्वालिफिकेशंस होता है जो उन्हें करना रहता है. नाउ ओकेशन इज़ द ऑक्यूपेशन इन विच पीपल इज स्पेशली ड्रॉन. मतलब कुछ ऐसे चीज़ें हैं, कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं कि ना उनको देख के ऐसा लगता है हाँ ये लोग ये काम के लिए बने हैं. अगर कोई बच्चा एकदम मैकेनिज्म कुछ भी करता है तो खोल के कुछ भी रिपेयरिंग करता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ ये बच्चा ये काम करने के लिए योग्य है. तो ओकेशन मतलब लोगों का बर्ताव देख के, बिहेवियर देख के हम ये जज करते कि वो इस काम के लिए ठीक है. दैट इज़ वन ओकेशंस रिफर्स टू द ऑक्यूपेशन फॉर विच पर्सन इज स्पेशली ड्रॉन और सूटेड. किसी काम के लिए स्पेशली बने हो ना तो हम उनके लिए वो ओकेशंस ये शब्द इस्तेमाल करते. बिजनेस इज दैट नेचुरली बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ द गुड्स. बिजनेस जो है वो बाइंग और सेलिंग से है. कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज उधर होता है बाय ए पर्सन बाय हिज ओन रिस्क. अपने बलबूते पर वो रिस्क लेके काम करता है. बाइंग एंड सेलिंग, उसका प्रॉफिट और लॉस उसके अपने होते हैं. तो दैट इज वॉज बिजनेस. ऑक्यूपेशंस इज द वी कैन से द पर्सन यूजुअली वर्क और बिजनेस स्पेशल मीन्स ऑफ अर्निंग ऑफ लिविंग. अपने गुजर बसर के लिए जो भी काम वो करते हैं, वी कैन से अर्न सम मीन्स ऑफ अर्निंग अ लिविंग स्पेशली. ओके, अपने पेट भरने के लिए वो जो काम करते हैं, ऑक्यूपेशन करते हैं. कई कई पे हेरिडिटरी ऑक्यूपेशंस भी होते हैं, फार्मिंग एंड ऑल या वीविंग एंड ऑल. और कुछ प्रोफेशन अलग होते हैं जो हम अपने हिसाब से लेते हैं. Now let's go with this poem. Occasions. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I met the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on, there is the road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in a road, crying bangles, crystal bangles, when at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school. Now what the poet is telling, when the gong sounds 10 in the morning, means when the bell rings 10 in the morning, he usually go to school by इस लेन. मतलब जो जहाँ पे उनका रास्ता है, लेन मीन्स इट्स अ स्ट्रेट रोड वी कैन से, where he is passing at the 10 in the morning. Every day whom he meets a hawker. एक बेचने वाला, बैंगल बेचने वाले को हमेशा वो मिलता है जब वो स्कूल जाता है सुबह का वक्त 10 बजे के टाइम को. एवरी डे आई मेट अ हॉकर क्राइंग बैंगल्स, क्रिस्टल बैंगल्स. देयर इज नथिंग टू हरी हिम और देयर इज नो रोड ही मस्ट टेक, नो प्लेस ही मस्ट गो टू, नो टाइम व्हेन ही मस्ट कम. मीन्स फॉर अ हॉकर देयर इज नथिंग टू हरी हिम. जल्द से फटाफट करो, फटाफट, नथिंग लाइक दैट. ही विल टेक his time, he will take his own time, wherever he wish to go, in which lane he wish to go and where he want to stop, that he will decide. So it is saying there is nothing to hurry him or there is no road he must take. मतलब ऐसा कोई रास्ता नहीं जहाँ पे वो नहीं जाता हो. Because he want to sell his bangle, he will naturally look for, he will go in every lane, every street where he can, where the things will be purchased by him so that he can earn money. तो ऐसा कोई रास्ता नहीं जहाँ पे वो नहीं जाता हो, ऐसा कोई जगह नहीं वो जहाँ नहीं जाता. There is no fixed time for him to return back to his house. whereas we do है एक शाम as soon as you finish your school, you have to go to back to your house. आपका time fix होता है. If you are going to play at the fixed time, you should return at home. Your parents says that. So there is some restriction, there is some discipline we have to follow in our life. Whereas for this occur, you will go to every lane, wherever you want to wish to go, you will go. There is no such restriction to his life that he have to reach by home at the perfect time. Okay. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school. So when he returns back at the afternoon after the school at 4, he sees that I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes, what is with his spade, he soils his clothes, it does. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet, I wish I were a gardener digging away the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed. Now what he sees? Now he sees her gardener. When he was standing out, when I can see through the gate. When he is saying, the poet is telling that he can see through the gate that a gardener is digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He wish मतलब the gardener does what he want to do with the spade. Spade means जो मट्टी निकालने का एक औजार होता है उनका, that is called a spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. मतलब when he is digging the soil and all, his dress get completely dirty. But there is no one to scold him. Nobody is going to say anything to him if he स्पॉइल्स इस क्लोथ्स. उसके कपड़े अगर गंदे होते तो कोई बोलने वाला नहीं है. वैसे हम जब कपड़े गंदे करते तो हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें डांटते हैं. तो ये सेइंग, द पॉइंट इज सेइंग, you see a gardener digging the ground with the spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. Nobody takes him to task मतलब कोई इसको डांटने वाले या बोलने वाले नहीं. She is scold and correct. If he gets baked in the sun, now he is a gardener by profession, so he has to naturally work in under the sun. खड़ी धूप में भी उसे काम करना पड़ता है, बारिश के वक्त भी काम करना पड़ता है. Still there is nobody to say anything to him. So what the poet is telling, I wish I were a gardener digging away the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Now what the poet wish, that he would have be a gardener and he will be also digging the soil and there will be nobody to stop him from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. Naturally after the day is come to close, so we go to sleep. तो अब बच्चों को भी जब रात हो जाती है तो मम्मी बोलते जाओ सो जाओ. Even the poet's mother is also saying the same thing, to go to bed on the time. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his feet, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Now again what the poet is wishing, that he would be a watchman. He says, I can see through my open, he can see a watchman walking up and down from his open window. The lane is dark, means the street is dark and lonely. There is nobody moving here and there because it's the night time. So every people are there at their home resting over or sleeping. And only the street lamp is there, stands like a giant with one red eye on its head. Because we can see a red light over the street. So it is saying giant with one red eye on its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side. The watchman what does? He swings his lantern. उसके पास एक जो कंदील होती है रोशनी के लिए, वो उसे लेके घूमता रहता है यहाँ. And walks with his shadow at his side. जब वो घूमते हैं तो उसके साथ साथ उनकी परछाई भी उनके साथ घूमती है रोशनी की वजह से. And never once go to bed in his life. And he works during the night time. So naturally don't sleep during the night time. So what the poet is telling now, I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night. Now he wished that he would have been a watchman so that he can walk in the street alone during the night time, chasing the shadow with my lantern. अपने ही shadow को chase करते हुए the lantern light. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, a well-known poet, a Nobel Prize winner. So this is what it is mentioned. It is vocations where the poet thinks in the first stanza he feels that he would have been a hawker so that nobody would stop in. There is no time for him to return back to his house. Every street, every lane he will be going, moving, selling his bangles. In the next stanza he says that he would have been a gardener so that he can dig the ground and spoil his dress and all, and there is nobody to scold him for spoiling the dress. In the third stanza he said that he would like to be a watchman so that he can move alone on the street at the night time, chasing his shadow with his lantern. So this is what the poem is. I hope you got that, this poem. Here are some of the assignments given to you that you have to sort out. You have to solve by yourself. Anything difficult, you just put it in the group कि आपको समझ में नहीं आता उसे कैसा लिखना है. उसे हम लोग मदद करेंगे आपको. Okay, bye, see you in the next lecture.